In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule Zoom meeting without password 2024. As of 2024, Zoom requires every scheduled meeting to have either a passcode or a waiting room. You can't completely turn security off, but you can make joining effortless so your guests never have to type a password. The key is to embed the passcode into the invite link, or to rely on the waiting room instead. I'll show you how to set that up and what to expect. Start by opening the Zoom web portal and signing in. Go to Settings, then Meeting, and open the Security section. This is where your default security behavior lives, so changes here apply to meetings you schedule going forward. If you see Require Meeting Passcode, leave it on, because Zoom enforces at least one security option. Now, enable Embed Passcode in Invite Link for one-click join. With this on, Zoom automatically puts an encrypted passcode into the meeting URL. Anyone who joins by clicking that link will go straight in without typing anything. It's still secure. The passcode is just baked into the link, so make sure you only share that link with people you trust. A quick note on limitations. If someone joins by dialing in on the phone or by entering the meeting ID manually, they'll still need the numeric passcode from the invitation. Also, some school or company accounts may restrict embedded passcodes. If you can't switch it on, it might be controlled by your administrator. If you prefer not to use a passcode at all, you can rely on the waiting room instead. Zoom allows you to choose either a passcode or a waiting room. With a waiting room, participants don't type anything. They're held in a lobby until you admit them. This gives you control over who enters, and it's a good option when you want simplicity while still keeping unwanted guests out. Now, schedule your meeting. Whether you're on the web or in the Zoom app, create a new meeting and look for the security options on the scheduling page. Make sure they match what you set in your account, either passcode with the embed option or waiting room. Save the meeting. When you copy the invitation, check that the link includes a PWD portion. That indicates the passcode is embedded. As a quick tip, you can test the link in a private browser window to confirm it joins without prompting for a password. That's it. Choose the method you prefer: embedded passcode for one-click join or waiting room for hands-on control, and your attendees won't have to type a password while you still keep your meeting secure.